Every website you open, every button, every animation, every app, all begin with three simple languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is a story of how the web learned to speak, to look beautiful, and finally to come alive. The year was 1991. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It was pretty. HTML is the skeleton, the bones of the web. Then alone isn't enough. People wanted colors, font, layout, style. In 1996, CSS was born. If HTML was a skeleton, CSS became the skin, cloth, the personality. For the first time, website could be beautiful. HTML gave the stature, CSS gave beauty, but the web still could not think. In 1995, in only 10 days, this man created JavaScript. Suddenly, website could react, buttons could click, forms could validate, pages could change without reloading. JavaScript was a brain, the animation, the logic, the action. Individually, they were powerful. Together, they build a modern web. HTML give the pages, CSS make it beautiful, JavaScript make it alive. Three languages, three roles, one web. As time passed, the web evolved. HTML5 brought videos, canvas, audio. CSS3 brought animation, gradients, grids. JavaScript brought framework, React, Angular, building entire apps inside a browser. But at this core, nothing changed. It's, it's a still begin with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The story of the web is a story of three languages: HTML literature, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Body, beauty, and intelligence. They build the they build the internet you see every day, and they will continue to shape the future. This is how the web came to life. And this is Nani Mothers for you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.